Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be telling different moisturizers made with ceramide, which is really good for skin of color. Ceramides are very essential fat molecules which keep your skin barrier healthy. Our skin barrier protects us from the external factors which can damage the organ or else the internal organs which help our body to function. The ceramides, the cholesterol, play a very important role to hold these skin cells together, and they cause like a cement bridge between the two skin cells. If there is less ceramide content in our skin starts to show transepidermal water loss, and in some cases it leads to extreme dryness and it can eventually lead to eczema. In this video, I'm going to be picking the top ceramides moisturizer that can be used by the people who are suffering from dry to very dry skin type, and in some moisturizers you can even use it on eczema prone skin. The first one is Recil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, and if you have very dry skin type you can use this one. I really like this company because this shows really good results when applied on the skin. My mom uses this one, and she told me that it doesn't have anything that can clog her pores because my mom falls into the category of oily skin type and she uses it in India. And it is good because they don't have any comedogenic ingredients, no fragrance into their skincare formulation, which makes it really good choice for oily skin type. But if you are someone who has extremely dry skin, this particular product is designed for you. The next one is DU In My Defense Barrier. This is like a liquid kind of a moisturizer. It gives a nice dewy effect. It has different antioxidants to remove the free radicals. It's a well formulated product and you can get it on Amazon. Then there is Formula RX. This is Barrier Plus Peptide Repair Cream. This one is formulated with peptides as well as the ceramides, good for aging skin and also aging dry skin. If you're falling into that category, there is peptides which can lead to production of collagen. The ceramides will bring out the healthy skin barrier, eventually using it for a longer duration of time. So this one is also a very good formulation, and I really love this one as well. Then there is the Minimalist Ceramide 0.3% with bisabolol. This one is also an amazing moisturizer. I love the Minimalist brand. It makes the affordable product. People say that it's a dupe of The Ordinary, but I don't really have seen so many products copied from The Ordinary because they came up with the 5% of niacinamide, which is really good formulation for the beginners. So I think that the Minimalist company stands out and it makes really affordable products and they work really good on your skin. This moisturizer with ceramide 0.3%, you can see that it's a bit higher in percentage, which means that it can help with the extremely dry skin type to regain that healthy skin barrier. So that is really good choice if you have extremely dry skin and if you see that your skin has breakouts and you want something that can moisturize it, bring out that nice flowy effect on your skin, then this moisturizer is a good one. The next one is the Dr. Said Cica and Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum. The Cica is the go-to cooler. It's known as Centella asiatica, and then there is ceramide. Centella asiatica has shown to have calming effect on the skin. When you have dry skin, your skin needs some attention to soothe it out, to relax it. And then it also has high antioxidant properties. It has shown to improve the skin texture. So Centella asiatica is widely used in Korean skincare because Koreans love Centella asiatica. And with incorporation of the ceramides, it becomes a really good choice as it can penetrate into your skin, the Centella asiatica, and then ceramides can make a nice barrier, like oily kind of a barrier that is really good to moisturize the skin in general. So it's a serum, not a moisturizer, but it gives the same benefits of a moisturizer. The next one is the CeraVe moisturizing cream. I just adore this product. This product is just perfect. I love it. I just love it. This one I have been using for a long time. use not the tub, but there is a pump kind of a tub, and also there is like tube. Use those because they like retain the shelf life of the ceramides for a longer time, whereas the tub, you see that the ceramides are actually not that stable, and it kind of, you know, doesn't show any benefit. So use a proper packaged product. And I love the CeraVe moisturizing cream. It is well formulated. It is good for eczema prone skin. It is good for extremely dry skin to dry skin. If you really want to use it even when you are having oily skin, it is perfectly fine because it has lightweight formula. It's not heavy on the skin, it just glides really well. I love this formulation. This one is very affordable for Indians. It can be a bit pricey because it's around like 1000 rupees, but I think it's worth every single penny. So again, use with the tube, not with the tub packaging, because you can see that it's not even properly covered. I mean, yeah, the CeraVe needs to work on its packaging, but other than that, the formulation is well formulated. It is with ceramides, it's with cholesterol, it is having lightweight formulation, so it's just like a perfect blend of a moisturizer. Then there is Dotinkey Barrier Repair Cream with Ceramides. Oh my god, I love this because I was in India and I was using it. My mom had this one and she told me that this is really good, and it's also very light on skin. And Dotinkey has come up with amazing products in the past, and this one is also a very good one. I really like it. It's well packaged and it is in a tube one because it just leaves out a little bit of product every time you squeeze it. So it's just like perfect formulation, and also it's really good because it's kind of a watery consistency. It sits on your skin, it gets absorbed. So I just cannot stop talking good things about this Dotinkey Ceramide Serum. It's just very well formulated. Then there is Aino's Skin Relief Moisture Repair Cream. This one, all the US people can lay your hands on it, and also Indians, if you can check it on Nike or Amazon, you can get it too. This one is really good, and it doesn't have any comedogenic ingredients. It's lightweight, it sits on the skin, it moisturizes it. I mean, I like this one. I like Aino products. Most of their products are very well formulated, and also the Simple company is also good, but I like Aino more, and this moisturizer with ceramide is really good. Then there is Earth Rhythm Phytoceramide. It is the ceramides that is taken from the plants, and this one is also good. It's very cheap. It's like 300 rupees, and it is well formulated. Again, it's lightweight, it can sit on the skin. If you are from normal to dry skin type, then you can use this product. And at last, there is the Dr. Co's Ceramide Intense Facial Moisturizer. This one is well formulated, it's good. It is for normal to very dry skin type. You all can use it. It doesn't have any comedogenic ingredients, and you can get this only in India. So if you can check the Nykaa site, the Amazon site, you can find this one. So this was the last product from my side, which I really like. I love the formulation. It is good for all skin of color people out there, and it doesn't cause any sort of breakout on your skin or lead to more dryness. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below, and also reach out to me on my Instagram handle. I will see you soon with another video. Thank you very much for watching again. Bye.